welcome back to the channel. Today's vlog is going to be the underground caves in Palawan and just some touristy stuff. Oh my god, so far up. It's so far up. That was so crazy. I just done ziplining for the first time. It was fun. I recorded myself the whole way. A little bit dodgy. My helmet clip came off and I was scared shitless at that point. But this is so beautiful. Look at all these palm trees. I love them. Palm trees, the water. It started raining. We're about to hop on the boat to go to the underground cave tour. And I had to buy this poncho. This poncho cost me 100p. A little bit expensive, I think. The boats are a little dodgy around here. So many tourists come here. This is crazy beautiful. There's so many boats. Like the mountain stops. Wow. Me with my heart hat on. Look at this. It's so beautiful.
Family in the front, and the other boat is the holy people. Our garbage mountain in Manila. Ayan. The chocolate color or brown color, that's a bad guano. That's a bad shit. Tunnel, thanks God we survived. We are now the group of survivors. Our thanks for coming here to Puerto Princesa and underground river Palawan. Our Sir Mom.
Just finished up at the underground tour. We're gonna head back now, back to the hotel. Oh my god, that was an eye-opener.